learn how to do this. A cartwheel. It looks easy when you do it, but it's hard when you do it. It's easy for me because I've been practicing a lot of gymnastics lately. So aren't you guys interested in gymnastics? You just told the correct answer. Yes! Everybody likes to do something fit. Like I like to do gymnastics and dance and sing. Other people, you also would like to have something as your hobby. My hobby is doing gymnastics mostly and doing cartwheel. It's one of my favorite things to do. It's quite easy to do, but you need to have a procedure for that. First, you should make sure you're all fit. So you have to make sure you can do that. So one thing is, you should make sure you can stretch. Take a type of band and do like this, start pulling, and you have to also be fit for this. First thing you need to do is stretching up your legs. First you do little warm-ups. Then you do bending. And then at last you can also try to bend. So what you basically need to practice is those stuff. But also there's something else you need to do. You need to make sure you're all stretched up. And you need to make sure you can do this. To make sure your knee doesn't bend when you're doing it. Look, this is the proper one. And this is the wrong one. If you keep your legs straight and do it, it'll be proper. But if you do like this, you won't land properly and you'll fall. You need to have a perfect landing. Because if you don't, you might get real bad hurt. So first now I'll teach you the basics of doing cartwheel. You squat like a frog, but not like this. So sit like this, keep your hands like this, then keep it here. Look, basically how you learn is actually like this, but that's after you learn the basics. So if you learn to do like this, then you do proper. So do it like this, keep your hands down and jump. I'm not good at doing like that. Oopsies. Look, this is how you do it. Then you go and then jump. So basically for that you need to jump. So when you're doing like this and when you're keeping your hands, you should make sure that's still. If they're like wiggle-tee, it won't come up. And then jump. So like this and like that. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe Aartsy Aayra. I hope you do it. Bye. I'll see you back in my next video. Bye.
One last.